Veterans and their supporters rallying today to oppose proposed cuts to the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs. Events were held in both Iowa City and in Cedar Rapids, giving veterans a chance to share their concerns about these changes. KWWL's Tara Konieczny has more from the rally in Iowa City.
Terrible situation for the veterans of this country who fought in prior wars for the country. It's terrible.
Dozens gathered to express concerns about potential job and spending cuts from the federal government. Tim Sproul, who represents workers in the Iowa City VA healthcare system, says job cuts have already hit their facility, making it harder to provide essential services.
What we're saying is that we're barely functioning and able to accomplish our mission now. If we lose 300 more people across the board, there's no way that we'll be able to provide the high level of care we've always provided to the veterans.
Veterans also shared personal stories about the impact of VA clinics and expressed frustration with federal leadership.
We wanted to express our thanks to the care providers who work for VA. I want to thank them for their efforts.
According to the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs, VA Secretary Doug Collins says the plan is to reduce staffing levels to 2019 numbers. The VA currently employs over 470,000 people, with plans to cut more than 70,000 positions. Some who marched today fear that continued cuts could eventually lead to the VA system shutting down.
The total health care of every veteran that goes over there, we provide that. And what we're afraid is we're not going to be able to keep doing that. And eventually there will be no VA system and the veterans will have no health care.
VA Secretary Doug Collins says the cuts will not affect veterans' health care or benefits. In Iowa City, Tara Konieczny, News 7 KWWL.